Oh yeah, we got some storms coming in this afternoon. We have a warning with baseball size hail about 20 miles away to the west here, so I'm gonna be keeping an eye out for that. Baseball size hail is no joke. There's a little bit of lightning. It's about to get nasty. Here comes the rain, just starting to rain. What do you think, Maggie? Huh? It's starting to rain. Uh-oh. There's the tornado sirens in town. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maggie says, what's that? She'll start howling. Watch this. What is that, Maggie? Uh-oh. Sirens. Shit's getting real, boys. Shit's getting real. There she goes. Old Maggie. Oh, Maggie. Hey, come on. Come on, it's starting to rain. Starting to rain, Maggie. We better get in here, boys. Shut her down.